Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com today, the beginning of the next week, and euro currency gives us some possibility for trading. Well, in general, in the beginning of the research, I know that our long-term view on the market, on the euro currency, is still intact. We think that euro still has a bullish context on the monthly and weekly time frame. Hence our target around 143.50, 144 is still intact. But currently on the daily time frame and on the lowest time frame, we can expect some deeper retracement than we thought initially. Well, as you remember, our first view on the market was as follows: that market has moved above this target from this recent ABC pattern, okay, and we think that market can reach weekly pivot point. It has shown nice thrust up candle, so it could be possible that market continue move to the upside, but this hasn't happened. The market on Friday has shown a really strong sell-off. Even more, the daily trend has turned bearish. Okay, so this is very important for as intraday traders as for long-term traders. For long-term traders, it means that possibly we could expect a deeper move. And from the weekly perspective, I also suggest that you will visit our ForexPeaceArmy.com. You can read long-term analysis there with the charts, and we have noted there that this area is suitable for the entry on the long side from the traders on weekly time frame perspective. Okay, so this is the first area where we could watch for the possible entry on the long side. This is daily confluence support 139.17, 139.22, and this is the area where we think that market could reach during this possible retracement to the downside. To the intraday traders, the trend shifting to the bearish means that you have only one context for trading on the intraday chart, is to the trade to the downside. So you should take only trades on the short-term basis, on the short side of the market. Here you can see the colored lines. These are the pivot points on the daily time frame. Blue line stands for the pivot point 141.05. Red one is for the weekly pivot resistance 141.75, and the green line is 139.81. This is the weekly pivot support one. You can see that these lines stand very tight to each other because the price action during the previous week was very tight. Okay, so that's just in the lower range. So concerning targets on the daily time frame, the first target 133.36, just above the market from this ABC pattern. From the larger ABC, we have next target 133.84, stands above the market. Now, how we could understand how deep retracement on the daily time frame could be? Well, compared to that, we need some intraday charts. Let's shift to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we see that trend is clearly bearish. It's right here, and market is forming clear A, B, C, D pattern. Now you can see that CD like a B is a bit faster than AB. This could tell us that possibly market will not stop just around the D point, around 100% expansion target, but it could reach some target exceeded that 100%. It could be, for example, 1618, 138.88. You can see that this target creates an agreement with the FIB support 139.86 and very close to the weekly pivot point. So market could stop this in this area. The next possible target of the retracement is our daily confluence support that we have discussed. That also makes an agreement with the extended target 1618 target from this possible ABC pattern. Where market will stop, it's a bit difficult to say currently, because we should see how market will behave around this area, around the target around 140 or 8. Now you can see also that the market is a bit oversold on the 4-hour chart, and this could lead to some retracement, some pullback to the upside. That is will be very preferable for us, because the price action around the weekly pivot point will tell us will market continue move to the downside or not. As you know, and I said a million of times, that market trades pivot point around 70% of cases, so it's very probable that market will continue move to the upside and retrace at least to the weekly pivot point, and the oversold condition can be just a trigger that could lead to this possible retracement to the upside. If market will continue move to the upside and will hold above the weekly pivot point, then possibly it will continue further move to the upside, and you can see that butterfly that we have discussed on Friday still could appear, still theoretically could work, because these lows is a bit higher than these lows, okay, and the potential for this possible butterfly is not cancelled yet. But if market will continue move to the downside, of course this butterfly could be cancelled, and I think that this is more probable that it will work. Here is so now we can create our trading plan for the beginning of the next week. First thing that we should wait is the pullback to the weekly pivot point. If market will flirting with this pivot point and continue move to the downside, then the nearest target that it will reach will be around 140. It's 139.80, 140, the weekly pivot support one, and the 100 expansion from this ABCD pattern. If market will accelerate to the downside and CD move will be faster than AB, then I suggest that we should not buy in this area, because the acceleration near the target of this regardless ABCD will tell us that possibly market will reach some extended target, and in this case I think that it's more probable that market will reach this area 139.20. This is context for the day traders who intend to enter on the long side of the market. So if you are an intraday trader, the market also gives you some context for trading. As we said on the daily time frame, our context is entering on the short side because daily trend is bearish. This is the hourly chart of your currency. You see that hourly trend is also bearish. This possibly intraday retracement could start to the upside, that we have just told about. Also, you can see that market has accomplished A, B, C 100% 1618 targets right here and turns to the retracement to the upside. Also, you can see that around the weekly pivot point, market creates strong area of resistance. This is hourly confluence resistance, 149 roughly, 149.05 is the weekly pivot point, and you can see that hourly trend will remain bearish until this area. So this is our preferable area to enter on the short side of the market if you're intraday trader. The stop could be placed just above this swing high, from this swing, from this high to this low, and above 618 resistance from the whole swing down. It's around 149.41.39. So if you place stop somewhere above 141.45, so I think that will be sufficient stop. This will be enough. So the target of this possible move to the downside is the nearest target 140. Here, it's right here. Market, as I said, could reach as far as 139.12, 138.90. It's right here. That's been said. There's a couple of different scenarios depending on how you prefer to trade. If you're a day trader, I think that you should wait for the flirt institution around this weekly pivot point, and if market will not be able to hold there and turns the retracement to the downside, this is two areas to watch for, 140 and 139.12. It's right here where a market could stop and again turn to the upside. If you're intraday trader, wait for the retracement to this area 141 and look for behavior in this area. If market will flirting with this area and continue move to the downside, will not be able to move above the weekly pivot point, you can enter short with the target around 140 or even 139.12. If your market will hold above the weekly pivot point, don't be short, because in this case possibly this butterfly could work and market could accelerate to the upside.